What if you could pull the full menu from any Uber Eats restaurant, every item, price, and image in seconds without writing a single line of code? Today, I am showing you exactly how, and it works for US and international stores. If you are doing price monitoring, restaurant research, or building a food app, manually copying menu data is a nightmare. Uber Eats has no public API, so what do? That is where this Apify actor comes in. Go to datacatch.com and click View Data Sources. Search for Uber Eats menu and click the card. This redirects you to the Apify actor page. Then select Try for free. Once you have access to the actor, you need to go to the Input section. Here you can set the store URLs that you want to scrape and the country code, which is optional. For this example, we're going to test with 100 store URLs and see how it works. We will copy and paste the links by using the bulk edit mode, and then hit Save, and finally hit the Start button. In seconds, you get 3 datasets: menu items, every item name, price, description, image, availability, and promotions; store analytics, average price, image coverage, and promotion detection, 1 row per store; and the run summary, the full picture for the entire run. We can export as JSON, CSV, or Excel by navigating to the Storage section. You can even select which fields you want to keep or discard depending on your needs. That's it. Here's what you can actually build with this: price monitoring dashboards, schedule daily runs, detect price changes over time; competitive analysis, compare menus across restaurant chains in any country; AI food apps, feed structured menu data into an LLM for recommendations or search; and market research, bulk scrape hundreds of stores concurrently, up to 32 workers in parallel. Pricing is pay per item, $6.90 per 1,000 menu items. A single restaurant with 50 items costs around 35 cents. Need to scrape 1,000 stores? That's about $345. No surprise charges, no per-run fees beyond Apify's standard start cost. Higher subscription tiers get automatic discounts. If you don't have the store URLs yet, pair this with the Uber Eats store search by location and keyword actor, also from DataCatch, to discover stores first, then pipe those URLs directly into this one. Full pipeline, no code required. Link is in the description. Try it free. You get 1 store and 5 items with a free Apify account. If you found this useful, subscribe for more data scraping tutorials. See you in the next one.